What's up, guys? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how I use AI to get higher quality leads, higher quality prospects who are more aware and are more ready to implement AI in their company, right? I'm going to dive deep into the process. I'm going to show you the back end of the AI system so you can see exactly what it looks like. And I'm actually going to show you the process that I've built, implemented AI into, streamline it, make it faster, make it efficient, and make it run on autopilot. This is a specific use case for my company. So let's dive into the process, and I'm going to show you how AI gets me higher quality leads and helps me basically warm them up within seconds. Okay, so let's go and start from the very beginning, that when I jumped on calls with a lot of people, it was the same thing most times. I was like, look at this picture. I was like, why did you book the call today? And how can we help you? And their answer most times were, well, I saw the ad and wanted to know what AI can do for me. This is not the answer that I'm looking for. The best answers to these questions are, I have this task that I want to automate. I have this process that is inefficient, or I have this operation that I want to scale. This way you can tell the prospect has a specific use case, and we're ready to dive into the process to analyze it and see how AI can be implemented there, instead of starting from scratch, explaining what AI is and how it can be implemented in general, and what is the specific process that you do right now. So just most people hopped on a call and were not ready. They were like, okay, what is AI? How it can work for me? And it's very, very difficult to have this conversation with prospects and especially sell them on a system. So if you own a business, you probably know what it feels like to jump on a call with people who are not aware and are not ready. It sucks. So I didn't want to miss out on people who are interested in AI but are not fully aware. So the best thing that I can do is help them and give them what they want, which is clarity on what AI can do for them specifically. Now, I need to give it to them fast, easily, and automatically to actually make it work, to make it good, right? It needs to be fast, easy, and runs on autopilot, because if I do it manually, won't work that well and it will not be fast. So I can build a process that will help people who are interested in AI understand what it can do for them. Now, you can already guess what is the best way to do something fast, easily, and automatically. So as always, I decided to build an AI agent to help me out with this task. The process looks like this. It's very, very simple. A new lead comes in, books the call. I'm not going to go into what happens between the new lead and the call stage. So I'm just going to focus on the sales process and on this specific process that I've built. So a new lead comes in, books the call, and after he books the call, the lead will be guided to a landing page where it says, get a free AI assessment, and we will send you an email with the best use case for AI in your company, right? So now I want to show you live and demonstrate what this process looks like live, and then I'm going to go to the back end of the system to show you how I actually built it. Okay, so let's go over to the landing page. So this is my landing page where people and prospects basically book a call with me after they opted in. So let's go over to the calendar and let's pick a time, a date, and book a call. Now you can see I have this question right here that says, briefly describe your planned use case for AI and what did you do? Now I have an AI system that is basically, the job is to find out if there is a use case, because the AI assessment, basically the AI audit agent that comes up with the use case and with an AI agent for the prospect, is not made for people who already have a use case in mind. It's more made for people who don't have a use case in mind, just to get more context and to get them to think about what they're actually looking for and what problem they're actually trying to solve. So let's do, I don't know. Now, the AI system will actually recognize that if they don't know, they don't have a use case, I will receive an email. It will basically send the prospect an email to encourage them to fill out the form to get the AI audit. Okay, so I will show you what it looks like live. Let's say, I don't know, my details, agree. And this is basically the back end of the system that actually checks if I have a use case. So let's click run once, and we're going to see it running. As soon as I schedule the walkthrough, let's see it running. it should trigger this webhook. And then after it was triggered, it will go to the AI module. I think there was an issue here. The slot you've selected is no longer available. Okay, let's do a different one. Schedule, and it works. So let's see right here. You can see that it was triggered. I have the webhook that transferred all the data, which is name, my email, and phone, my phone number, and the AI use case, I don't know. So now the job of the AI here, I tell the AI, you can see if we click the module, you can see the prompt. I basically tell the AI that the job is to analyze the answer to this question. I feed him the data, the answer to the question. You can see right here, this is the answer. And I have this variable from the webhook, which is the answer, the data that I got. And I tell the AI if the answer is, for example, I don't have a specific use case, no use case yet, I don't know, output the word no. If there is a use case, AI based on the answer to the question, then output the word yes. Now I'm going to filter people who have a use case because it's made for people who don't have a use case. And if they don't have a use case, the AI will output the word no. So the filter is here, result, which is the result of the AI, the output, equals to no, or capital N at the beginning, okay? If it's yes, they do have a use case, so we're not going to send them the email. So after they don't have a use case, they will move on to the next module, which is an HTTP request, where I actually add them to a workflow in my CRM, where I actually send them an automatic email, where you can see it right here, which is this one. Hey, Jonathan, we are so happy to see you're interested in AI for your company. We saw that you don't have a clear use case for AI yet. This is why we owe you a free AI audit that will give you full clarity on how AI can be implemented the best way possible. And here I give them the link. They can click the link and fill out the survey, which is, this is the link. Here they can fill out the survey and get their free AI assessment. You can see that once the lead's booked an appointment, so let's close this tab right here. Once the lead booked an appointment, it will be guided to this page right here that says, wait, one last step. And this is actually where they can fill out the survey, and the AI system will generate them an AI agent use case for them and send it over to them via email. So this way, the lead will be more qualified, more warmed up, ready, and I will have more context and more clarity on the situation and what is the goal and what we're actually looking to automate with this system. Okay, the job here is not to build a blueprint or full AI agent. This is what's going to do. It's just to get clarity and warm the lead up a little bit, get him to be more qualified, to have an actual use case for AI. This way we can jump on a call and it will be a lot easier to come up with a solution. So right now, let's fill out the form and see how this actually works live. So what company do you own? Let's do contracting. Cool. Company size, let's do 6 to 10 employees. Which departments, business processes in your company do you believe could benefit most from AI? Let's do customer support and marketing. What process do you want to scale, or is time consuming or inefficient? So now the prospect actually has the opportunity to think, what am I trying to solve here, right? What process do you want to scale, or is time consuming or inefficient? Let's do following up with ways to convert them after they opted in, and provide clients with project progress and answer people's questions. Cool. Now, next question, what is the one strategic business goal that, if accelerated by AI, would provide your company a significant advantage or benefit? So let's do, if AI could automate this entire process, I can handle more clients and save time to invest it in getting more projects. Cool. Now, what specific improvements or results would you like to see from an AI solution? Let's do more leads, engaging and converting, and saving on lead follow-ups. Cool. Please drop your website URL. Now let's just find a random website on Google Maps because I'm not a contractor. So let's do, instead of marketing agency, let's do a contractor in Los Angeles. Let's just find a random one. Let's do AP remodeling. And yeah, AP remodeling do have a website. Remodeling, yeah, okay, looks cool, looks cool. So let's take their URL. And obviously, this is what the client will insert into this form, their website. So I am acting as a contracting business. So let's say that this is my website. Emails, yeah, all my details. And now we are ready to submit. And you're going to see how I'm going to receive an email with a specific AI agent use case to my specific scenario according to the lead's answers to this specific survey. Now let's click submit. And now we're going to be guided to this page. Thank you. It's not getting to this page, it's the same page, but the form just turned into a message saying your audit will be sent to your email in a few seconds. If you still did not book your free AI consultation to see how AI can be implemented in your company, click here. They can click here and they're simply going to be moved to the scheduling page where we were before. And now we're going to receive the AI audit, the AI use case to our email. So let's see. There we go. Send right now, 2:55 p.m. This is the time right now. And we just got this email, your AI use case. Enhance your business with AI solutions. Dear AP Remodeling Inc. owner, allow us to present a summary of your current business situation in our cutting edge AI driven solution tailored for your needs. Summary of the situation, first of all. AP Remodeling Inc., a contracting company based in Los Angeles, is eager to enhance its client engagement and conversion process. Despite having a small team of 6 to 10 employees, the company experienced inefficiencies in following up with leads and providing project updates. This challenges in their ability to handle more clients effectively and boost revenue. So this is the summary of the situation that the lead just submitted. Okay. Now let's go over to the AI agent. The AI agent is we propose implementing an AI-driven multi-channel communication solution. This package includes an AI phone call system to engage leads immediately after opt-in, an AI tool for crafting personalized follow-up messages and emails using leads data, and an AI SMS outreach tool for timely SMS engagement. Moreover, an AI virtual assistant will be deployed to offer real-time project updates and respond to clients' inquiries across different platforms. Why this AI agent? Now it's going to explain exactly the breakdown of why this is the AI that it came up with. But you can see that this is fully personalized according to the situation that the lead submitted, right? So as I said, this is not made to create the blueprint of the AI agent. It's made to give us context and clarity on what actually we're trying to solve here and how it's going to work. After then they're going to jump on a call with me where we'll have more context. The lead is more qualified, more warmed up, and the lead already knows what to expect, and the lead already knows the direction of the AI agent that he should implement according to the situation that it is at right now. Then on the call, we're gonna obviously dive into deeper details like the CRM that they're using, where all the data is stored, what is their manual process that they do right now, and then we're gonna figure out the best possible solution where we're gonna actually build an AI agent blueprint that will show you what the AI agent will do exactly. But this is made just to give us more clarity, just to qualify the lead a little bit, warm the lead up, give the lead more clarity on the situation that is at and how AI can be implemented there, and give me more context about their situation. So this is how the system works. Now let's go to the back end of the system and let me show you what it looks like on the back end. Okay, so this is the back end of the system. This is what it looks like. Let's actually go ahead and trigger the survey once again with the same answers so you can see how it actually gets all the data live. So let's do that right now. Let's click on run once and let's trigger the survey again. So I'm just gonna pause the video. I'm gonna do it again. So we should get the data to this flow right now. You can see it's working. Cool. Now we're gonna feed it to the AI module. This one is creating a summary of the website. Then this one is creating the entire use case. And then this one is creating an HTML code. And this one sends the email in HTML to make it look better. You can see that it's not a regular text. It's designed with HTML. And then the last one right here, the HTTP request, is just to add the contact to another flow in my CRM. So let's go over it and see exactly what happened. We have a webhook right here that is connected to the survey that triggers this webhook. This triggers this flow whenever the survey is being submitted. Okay, you can see that the customer right here, we have all the data, customer ID on the CRM, first name, last name, number, email, the lead website, the lead's business. Basically, all the answers that the lead provided on the survey will be transferred from the survey into this workflow using this webhook. Okay. Then here we are simply just formatting the lead website. You can see right here that this red tab, it's a variable. This is basically the lead website that is submitted on the form. We're simply formatting it. And then here, this is the HTTP request. This is basically how we are going to analyze the lead's website. So the lead got us the website, and then we're going to put the URL here. This is the website on a get method. And this is how we're going to get all the HTML code of the lead website. You can see we have a full HTML code with all the details about the website. This is very, 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 very long. Obviously, we cannot add this HTML code to the AI because it's too long, right? So what we're going to do next is head to the text parser module. We're going to turn this HTML into text. You can see right here that we're feeding it the data that we got from the HTTP module. And you can see that this is the HTML. This is the input. This is basically the data that we got from scraping the website. And then it's going to turn this entire HTML code into text, much shorter one. Okay. This is the text of the website that basically includes all the details that are available on the website. Then we're going to have an AI module that is going to summarize this website. We're going to feed all the data that we got on the website to the AI, which is the variable here. You can see that this is the result that we got from the text parser module. And we're going to tell the AI create a summary of the website with important points like content in the website, about section, lead capture forms, testimonials, and case studies, what the company does, etc. Make it easy for you to understand and make it easy and work with later, because we're going to feed this summary to the next AI module in order to give the AI more context about the website and the company and what it does. So this is the next AI module. And here is basically where we're going to generate the AI agent solution and the AI assessment. So you can see that right here we have a prompt that's saying, analyze the lead's survey response to determine the best AI agent for their use case for their company. Consider all provided answers, including company details, identify challenges, and desired improvements. The output must be short, straight to the point, and formatted with the following structure. And you can see that this is the structure that I prompted the AI to output. Summary of the situation, AI agent, why this AI agent. Let's go over to the email, and you can see that this is exactly this. Summary of the situation, the AI agent, and why this AI agent. Now, the next prompt here is where we're actually feeding the AI our data, the questions and the answers. So we are telling the AI, this is the question, what company do you own? And this is the answer, this variable right here that we got from the webhook, which triggers when the survey is submitted. So it includes all the answers to the data. So we're going to feed the AI all the questions and all the answers that we got from the webhook. Company size, and we're going to provide the AI with the answer, and same for all the other questions right here. This is exactly the questions that are in the survey. We're simply feeding everything to the AI and including the result of the last module, which was to create a summary of the website of the lead. So we're also telling the AI, here is a summary of the lead's company website. And you can see even here that on the first module that creates the summary, the AI actually created a full summary of the website, right? Pretty cool. Now on the second module, let's go back to the second module of the AI right here. We tell the AI to come up with an AI agent specifically for their situation. You can see right here, expected output for format. We already walked through this. And here I give instructions to the AI how to come up with an AI agent. According to the survey answer, don't create a use case, create a solution. Be specific on the solution and the process, because if you are filling out the survey, you're already coming up with a use case in your mind. So the lead's already kind of gets an idea of what he needs. What's the use case? If you're going to tell them the use case, it's not really useful. We want to come up with a solution. So as you saw right there on the email, the AI came up with a better, more specific solution, an AI-driven multi-channel communication solution, and moreover, an AI virtual assistant that will be deployed to offer real-time project updates. It's more specific. Also, an AI tool for crafting personalized follow-up messages and emails using leads data. So the fact that it says using the lead data helps me understand that we can go and integrate with their CRM where they keep all the data about the lead and then feed it to the AI and then create more personalized message. This is basically how we can come up with a solution much easier. So it's not just a use case, it's more of a solution. So basically now the AI comes up with the solution. You can see right here, this is the prompt, this is the message, this is the input, right? We have 5 different prompts as you saw. Each one is has their own prompt, right? And the output is this, basically the summary of the situation, the AI agent, and why this AI agent. And this is basically what we are seeing here. So we want to send it via email, but we don't want to just send it like this. It's just plain text because it doesn't really look good. So we're going to fit it to another AI module, and the job of this AI module is to simply take this text and turn it into an HTML to make it look beautiful, make it more designed. You can see that right here. This is not just a plain text, it's HTML design, which just looks better. It's nicer to look at and read. So nothing too crazy here. Simply feed the data, which is the result of the last AI module that came up with the AI audit, with the AI solution use case. We basically tell the AI to turn this into an HTML that will be ready to send via email to a company owner. And then we have this email module right here, which is we have the email address from the survey. So we're going to use the webhook detail that contains all the survey answers, and we're going to find the specific, you can see right here, first name, last name, number, email. So we're going to take, let's just delete this, just show you the example. We're going to click on email right here, and boom, we have the email there. And the subject is your AI use case. Content type is HTML because we turned the text into HTML, and we just feed the result of this module, which is right here. This is the input and this is the output. The result is a full HTML code. You can see that the AI just provided us with HTML according to the text that we fed him. So it's going to send the result, which is the HTML code, on the email body. And then we're going to, on the last module here, is just me adding them to another flow, adding the leads to a flow in my CRM. So it doesn't really have anything to do here. Now you're probably wondering, what's this? Nothing too crazy. Basically, if the scraping of the website failed, it's just going to go here instead of going here, because this is where we're actually creating the summary of the website. If the scraping of the website failed, so it's simply just going to go here because we cannot include the website because we don't have the website because of some sort of an issue. And those 4 modules are exactly the same as those 4 modules, just without having the summary of the website in the AI assessment prompt. Okay, and this is basically it. This is how the system works. This is how I actually have more qualified calls with people who are more solution aware and problem aware. They have a use case in mind, they know what direction they're going, and I have more context about their situation and how the AI agent will look like, how the solution would look like. Then we're going to dive into deeper details, and we're going to come up with a beautiful solution where I'm going to create an AI agent blueprint for their specific solution. And this is basically how this AI agent helps me jump on calls with better, higher quality, more warmed up leads. And if you are interested in AI, you want to see how this can help you, first of all, go ahead, click the subscribe button below, because I'm going to be uploading more content just like this about different AI systems that I've built and how AI can actually help you. And another thing that you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description to get your own AI agent blueprint, your own AI agent assessment, where we're gonna be presented with the same survey, just answer some questions, and you're gonna receive the AI assessment straight to your email, just like you saw right here. And then you can schedule a call with me. We're gonna jump on a call. We're gonna show you exactly what it's going to look like for your specific use case according to your existing systems and your manual processes that you do right now. So if you're interested in AI, you want to scale, you want to be more efficient, you want to save time, go ahead, get your own AI assessment, and go ahead, book a call with me. I would love to walk you through everything. And that's about it for today. I hope you got some value from this video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will catch you in the next one.